Okay, this play is called one. And we're gonna do a lot of these box set because when they scout us out or watch film on us, because we'll have so many of these box sets, it'll be hard for them to know what's coming in the game when we set up in a box set. So this play, it'll start by 5 and 4 coming up and setting screens, and 2 and 3 are going to do the same thing. They're going to make a little 7 cut. 2 is going to come here, and 3 will come to the corner. If we can, and then right after this, what will happen is 5 will come and set a screen for 4, and 4 will curl and go to the block, and 5 will go straight from there to this block. So it'll be really, really quick. Now, if none of that works out, because what we're looking to do is we're looking to hit 5 here or 4 here, or even 3 in the corner, but our primary options are 4 and 5. If that doesn't work out, we want to look to hit 3. So 3 will be right here. 1 will pass it out to 3, and then we'll have 5, like let's say 5's covered. 5 can just seal her girl, post her up. 1 can pass to 3, 3 will dump it down to 5, and 1 will come out this way to give 5 space to do some work. So there's a lot of options here. Just to review really quick, let's see if I can go through. Okay, so 1 slaps the ball. 5 and 4 at the same time will come set screens. 2 and 3 will set up their screens, and they'll come. 3 will come to the corner. 5 will immediately come over and set a screen. 4 will come over to the opposite block, and then 5 will come over. Correction: if this isn't open, 5 and 4, 1's going to pass it out to 3. And at this point, 4 should be here, and 3 will dump the pass down to 4, who will go to work, and 1 comes out this way. So this play is called 1.